Like 7/10 out around. Hey, we're assembling an ABA Jetta block. It's a 2-liter. We've got a high-performance set of rods and pistons going in it, so we had to notch the cylinders. Getting ready to assemble it. First thing we got to do is put the oilers in it. We already got the auxiliary bearings in it and all the plugs. Painted up nice. Okay, the oilers are in and the bearings are lubed. These are King performance bearings.
I got it, sir.
Okay, now we're ready to put the pistons and rods in the block. Hey, if you follow along, you saw how bad these rods were machined. They're sold by a company named SPA Turbo out of California. I wouldn't buy these rods. Check out how bad they were. This is an aftermarket high performance rod. Look at that, it's ridiculous. Let me zoom in for you guys. Like 7/10 out around. So I fixed those rods in my LBB 1699 Sunnin rod machine. One. That's how they should have been when they left the factory. Forgot to show you the taper that isn't there. 0 on the edge, 0 in the middle. No taper. So it's ridiculous that this company, SPA, you guys see that? sells this product. Just garbage. The pistons were varied by 1/2 thousandths in bore size, and the weight was 4.5 grams. That's ridiculous. So we custom bore engines all the time, and you know, 1/10, maybe 2/10 occasionally on a block, but not 1/2 thousandths. So don't buy from this company. They're peddling crap. Let's get this thing together. All right, they're all hung on the pistons, and the pistons are numbered because all the holes are different sizes. There's the block, 40 over, 1 millimeter, torque plate home. I already got the bolts lubed to come with this soy sauce, I think it is. It's from China, right? Oh, and the crank is 1010, sort of. Custom grind, all custom sizes. Alright, we're ready to install the head. Here's the head. I fully rebuilt it. There's a link in the description to the build. It's got oversized valves and it gets a port work to it. So we're using an MLS style gasket. Make sure you spray it with something or it'll leak. Okay, there we go, it's sprayed. And we got some ARP head studs going on it. So these ABAs have a really crappy alignment dowel system. Here's this one's good. Look at this front one. See how narrow that is right there? So here's the rear one, and it fits that dowel great. But look at the front one. That dowel fits like a hot dog going down the hallway. That's pretty dumb design. Don't run these all the way to the bottom. Here you go. This is as far as we're doing this build. The customer's doing the rest. He's got the cam and lifters. It's gonna hang 10. I don't hang 10 wire. Came out nice, didn't it? Hey, for those of you that follow along, I really appreciate you watching my videos. So this is it for this one. There's a playlist on my main channel. So this engine is going to Bermuda, and the top speed is 22 miles an hour. This thing's boosted. It's gonna run a big turbo. I was told they don't race there, but I actually did some investigating because a subscriber told me he saw races there, and they do have a track. So hopefully I'll get out there and bust around, huh? So thanks for coming along on this Thursday, you guys. You guys come back and see me again, all right? And be nice to each other. Bye.